What is the product that forms from this reaction? Let's look at each reaction individually. The first reaction uses osmium tetroxide to dihydroxylate an alkene. This involves removing the alkene and having instant addition of diols in its place. A diol refers to two alcohols, and in this case, they are vicinal diols, meaning they are on neighboring carbons. The second reaction is a cleavage of diols. It cleaves vicinal diols and converts the alcohol groups into carbonyls. If the OH was secondary, then carbonyl formed is an aldehyde. If the OH was tertiary, the carbonyl formed will be a ketone. So if we draw out the product we had formed from the first reaction and react to FHIO4, we will cut along this carbon, and I'm going to leave the structure the exact same minus the carbon-carbon bond in the middle. Then I'm going to add the carbonyls to the carbons where the alcohols were, and we get this. Notice that the tertiary alcohol turned into a ketone and the secondary alcohol became an aldehyde. Now let's redraw this to make it pretty. I will start by labeling the carbons of my ugly drawing. Then I will draw out the carbon chain and label it accordingly. Then I will place the carbonyl groups. And this is my answer. Now going back to the original question, which one of these corresponds to the product that we drew? If we look and count carefully, only C corresponds with our answer.